Hello and welcome to AI Telling Stories. Today we're exploring the fascinating life and groundbreaking discoveries of one of the most influential physicists in history, Heinrich Rudolf Hertz. His work laid the foundation for modern telecommunications, and his name lives on in the unit of frequency, the Hertz. So, let's get started. Born on February 22, 1857 in Hamburg, Germany, Heinrich Rudolf Hertz was the eldest of 5 children. His father, Gustav Ferdinand Hertz, was a lawyer and later a senator, while his mother, Anna Elisabeth Pfefferkorn, came from a wealthy and educated family. From a young age, Hertz showed a keen interest in science and engineering, which was nurtured by his supportive family. After completing his early education in Hamburg, Hertz moved to Dresden to study engineering, but soon realized his passion lay in physics. He transferred to the University of Munich and later to the University of Berlin, where he studied under the great physicist Hermann von Helmholtz. Under Helmholtz's guidance, Hertz completed his PhD in 1880, focusing on electromagnetic theory. Hertz's most famous discovery came in the late 1880s when he experimentally confirmed the existence of electromagnetic waves, something that had been theoretically predicted by James Clerk Maxwell. Let's break down what Hertz did and why it was so important. In a series of experiments conducted between 1886 and 1889, Hertz set up a simple but ingenious apparatus. He used an induction coil to produce sparks between 2 metal spheres, generating oscillating electric currents. These currents, he hypothesized, would produce electromagnetic waves. Hertz placed a loop of wire with a small gap across the room. When the sparks flew between the metal spheres, a spark would also jump across the gap in the wire loop, proving that the electromagnetic waves had traveled through the air and induced a current in the loop. This was a monumental moment in physics. Hertz had demonstrated that electromagnetic waves travel through space, just like light, confirming Maxwell's theories. He also measured the wavelength and velocity of these waves, finding that they traveled at the speed of light. This discovery was pivotal because it paved the way for the development of radio, television, and even modern wireless communication. After his groundbreaking work, Hertz held various prestigious academic positions. He became a professor at the University of Kiel, then moved to the Karlsruhe Polytechnic, and finally to the University of Bonn. Despite his success, Hertz remained humble and dedicated to his research. In 1886, Hertz married Elisabeth Dahl, and they had 2 daughters, Johanna and Mathilde. Despite his demanding career, Hertz was known to be a devoted family man. Tragically, Heinrich Hertz's life was cut short when he died of a blood infection on January 1, 1894, at the age of just 36. Although his life was brief, his contributions to science have had a lasting impact. The unit of frequency, the Hertz, was named in his honor, ensuring his legacy endures in every aspect of modern technology that relies on electromagnetic waves. Hertz's work not only confirmed the existence of electromagnetic waves, but also opened the door to a new era of technological innovation. From radios to smartphones, we owe a lot to Heinrich Rudolf Hertz. His curiosity and dedication to uncovering the mysteries of physics continue to inspire scientists and engineers around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life and discoveries of Heinrich Rudolf Hertz. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Telling Stories for more fascinating stories from the world of science. Until next time, stay curious.